These are the elevators at the Draper Place Garage at Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa, Florida. Before we start, you might notice all the road noise. That's because we're pretty much right on the side of I-4. This is probably a pretty familiar sight to all you Tampa locals. Anyway, let's ride an elevator. Each one has its own call button, despite the fact that all of them are on the same controller. And the machine rooms are right here. These are pretty busy, so I feel like there's a good chance we might have a bunch of stops. The indicator's completely burned out on this one, so let's get a cab view. And we're stopping. We're on 4, which is colored blue. So Schindler 400As. Level 3 says casino, and level P says poker, which is interesting because I thought on some of the other elevators, the indicators showed G as the bottom floor. Yeah, right there it says G. And what do you know, it does say poker. So we're gonna ride another one. Call buttons are upside down. Actually, no, just one of them. These two are right side up, but this one isn't. I almost missed it. We got this elevator here, and the indicator does say G. So we're gonna go to 7, which had an LED replaced. You can see lots of people playing poker down here. Here we are at 7. We're gonna go back down to the poker or ground level. But first, let's check the interlock. Doesn't have a date on it because it's a GAL, not an ECI interlock. Well, the doors took a while to shut. Let's send this one out. I can't remember if we rode this one or not. I don't think we did. Because I thought the first one had a burnt out indicator. But this one, it's pretty dim. It works. We're gonna end it down at. We're gonna go to 5 just because that happens to be where I parked. So same cab as all the others. All of them at 3,500 pound capacity. And 5 is the white floor. I don't know what all the other ones are. But anyway, there it goes, and that'll be it.